Today I am going to review about the best metal lathe on the market. Number 1. Grizzly G0602 Bench Top Metal Lathe. The Grizzly G0602 Bench Top Metal Lathe appears to be a high-quality and reliable machine for metalworking projects. The hardened and ground V-way bed and oil bath gearbox suggest that this lathe is built to withstand heavy use and provide precision in cutting and shaping metal. The inclusion of a toolbox with service tools is a thoughtful addition that can help users maintain and repair the lathe as needed. Additionally, the 9 longitudinal feeds and chip tray backsplash make this lathe a versatile and efficient choice for a variety of metalworking projects. Overall, if you're looking for a bench-top metal lathe, the Grizzly G0602 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Shopfox M101 6-inch by 10-inch micro lathe. It appears to be a well-equipped and compact lathe suitable for small-scale machining tasks. The lathe comes with 4 hex wrenches, a double-ended wrench, a socket head wrench, and a chuck key, providing ample tooling for common tasks. Its mount number 2 spindle taper and mount number 1 tailstock taper make it compatible with a wide range of tooling, and its 100-2000 RPM spindle speed provides a good range for a variety of materials. The inclusion of an oil cup and stand helps with maintenance and cleaning, and the chip tray and backsplash help to keep the work area clean. The stand also provides a stable base for the lathe, and the inclusion of 3 external jaws adds to the versatility of the machine. Overall, the Shopfox M1015 micro lathe appears to be a well-equipped and capable machine suitable for small machining tasks. Number 3. Microlux 7x16 550W True-Inch Mini Lathe. The Microlux 7x16 550W True-Inch Mini Lathe seems to be a powerful and versatile mini lathe. Its true imperial feed screws and dials eliminate the need for metric conversions, making it more user-friendly. It has a powerful 500-watt adjustable speed brushless DC motor and reversing switch for bi-directional automatic feed and thread cutting, providing excellent performance. The 4-position tool post and 3-jaw self-centering chuck make tool changes fast and easy, making it efficient for the user. The quieter belt drive, hardened and accurately finished main spindle supported by centripetal ball bearings also make it more durable and efficient. With its ability to cut all metals and non-metals, the Microlux 7x16 550W True-Inch Mini Lathe is a great option for those in need of a reliable and versatile mini lathe. Which product is good for you, and definitely make a comment which product you like. Keep watching the video until you get your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. You will make a comment which the viewer can understand or the customer can understand, which will be very good for them. Stay with us by subscribing and liking and wait for the next video.